You want to drive the best car? Your insurance will speak for you. So, what can save you is side hustle.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, getting no licks in the van.
Why you need a side hustle in the UK? Welcome back to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. Thank you for clicking the video. And if you are a new subscriber or you are new on the channel, welcome to the family. How we do it? Give me a hunger strike, like the video, and you subscribe to the channel. My name is Pare, and my mission here is to give out information, to dish out vital information that will help you to be successful, to be great in this country. In summary, I will say I'm here to spark you, to ginger you, and to bring out the lion in you so that you can go ahead and win. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and let's get into the video. I've always said this: do not be a minion, be the owner. Now, first of all, let's get to understand what is the meaning of a side hustle. It says a side hustle is a way to make money outside your 9-to-5 job, period. This is a way to make money outside your 9-to-5 job. Why do you really need a side hustle in the UK? I'm going to explain. But before I explain, I want to draw your mind to a typical African society. You understand? Now, don't tell me, Pare, don't say it. I'm going to say it because it's true. In a typical African system, in a typical African society, you can wake up and become a millionaire. You can just wake up and become a millionaire. But it's not possible in this part of the world. You work for the money. The system understands every dime that you make. If in any way a certain money enters your account, come on, they're gonna call you. How did you make it, bro? How did you earn this money? How did this money get into your account? And the moment you cannot explain, your head will roll. Nobody will question you in a typical African system why you accumulate such a huge amount of money in your bank account within a space of some days or some weeks. Nobody will question you. Even the banks will be happy to have the money because it's just as a means of business to them. Do you understand? But when you are in this part of the world, there's no playing games. No game, bro. Everything is documented. So why do you really need a side hustle? We Africans understand what it means to be rich and what it means to be poor. There's no middle class. Like Pastor Chris says, the middle class are the decorated poor people. So, our system is the system of the rich class and the poor class. It's either you're rich or you're poor. But in the British system, in the British society, what they understand is average class. You understand? They want everybody to have an average income. So no matter how you try to climb the ladder, the system wants to bring you down just to keep you at an average position. You say you want to work Monday to Sunday and make so much money, the system cut off a huge part of what you make. You want to drive the best car, your insurance will speak for you. So what can save you is side hustle. I'll be back. So in the real sense, without a side hustle, you are limited. You see people living in London telling you they are paying £1,500 per month, £2,000 per month. That is not all salary money, man. Most of them are doing side hustle. And you just wake up one day, you say you want to go to London, you want to go and live in London, and all you depend on is just the work that you're doing, your salary. Man, you'll not achieve anything. Very hard for you to go on a vacation. Very hard for you to travel back to your country because everything is kind of taken away from you. If you don't have a side hustle in this country, I'll tell you what your life will look like. Okay, you finish school, you start a family, probably you go for a vacation every year, alright, let's say a new car for you and maybe your wife every 2 or 3 years, The next thing you want to do is to get a house, You start paying for the mortgage, And what happens? And you finish paying when you are 60 years old and life is gone. That is not the life I want to live. I want to be rich. I want to give back. I want to travel all over the world. I don't want to buy a house and finish paying when I'm 60 years old. I want to drive Tesla. What will happen if I drive McLaren, Ferrari, Maybach, Pagani, Lycan? What will happen? You need to start something now. Start your side hustle now. If you can start it now, you give testimony tomorrow and you one day say, Parade, that video inspired me. Come and take your own tithes and I will be happy, man, because my brother succeeded. For now, this is my own side hustle because that is why you need to subscribe and watch all the advert to the end. Even if it's a boring advert, just try and watch it. I'm not gonna stop here. In the next coming months or a year from now, you will hear from me. More side hustles are coming up. Tell you, it's gonna be mad. So, the summary of it all is, start something. Don't just come in here and say you've arrived. You've not arrived. If you wanna live an average life, no, it's not a problem. You don't need the side hustle. You can live your average life. But don't complain, tax, UK and tax. I don't wanna hear that because it's the life that you choose to live. So you pay the tax and you remain where you are. No complaint, bro. By next month, I will come up with some side hustle business ideas that you can do over here. A lot of them have contacted me. A lot of them have reached out to me. I don't know how I'm gonna structure it, but I'll come up with it. For now, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.